GoDaddy's website builder includes a built-in SEO tool in most of our plans. I'm Darlene, and let's check it out. We're going to start this demonstration from the Websites Plus Marketing header. Select Marketing and choose SEO. If this is your first time through the process, the SEO wizard will guide you through optimizing your homepage. And don't worry, nothing is set in stone. You can go through this process as often as you'd like to make changes to the keywords that you choose. But keep in mind that it does take time for the changes you make to show up in search engine results. SEO is not an overnight success story. Let's start the wizard. The first thing you need to do is select where your customers are located. Are they nationwide, or worldwide, or local? Now you need to tell the wizard what your page is about in 1 or 2 words to get suggestions on phrases that customers may use to find you. My site is about video games and repairs, and I'm going to put them in that order as the most important thing that should be in the primary spot. If I put repair first, then we might be pulling from a larger pool than we want. Now the SEO wizard will analyze your categories and make suggestions that match up with popular search terms. You should select the top 2 or 3 phrases that best describe your page. If you don't like the suggestions, you can choose more phrases. When you have 2 or 3 of your top choices, click Next. The wizard will show your homepage, and now you need to select which phrase best describes it. Now you're ready to optimize your homepage. You need to choose a page title for the search engine results page, or SERP for short. This is what customers are going to see when they find your site through Google, Yahoo, and Bing. I'm going to choose this one. Now it's time to focus on an accurate and enticing homepage description. You should use your top choice keyword or phrase in the description. The box on the left displays how your site will appear in search engine results. When you have a good description that includes your keyword, you're ready to move on. Click Next. Now it's time to edit your headline to include your main search phrase. Keep in mind that you're actually changing the text on your site's homepage, so you have to find the balance for optimizing a search engine and making sense to your customers. Let's move on by clicking Next. The SEO wizard is going to look at every text block on your homepage. Add your keywords everywhere that you can, but make sure that it makes sense. Be creative and map out those keywords the best that you can. Now it's time to review the changes that you've made to improve your SEO. You can edit each individual section if you need to. When things look good, click Done. When you're done with the SEO wizard, you can go review your site, and if things look good, don't forget to publish. Now that your site is live with your new and improved SEO changes, patience is key. SEO is a long game, so it can take time for your page to rise in search results. I'm Darlene. Thanks for tuning in.